The world loves salmon. We love its taste, its versatility in recipes, and the way it brings people together at the dinner table. We love its health benefits, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins and minerals that contribute to a balanced diet. But wild salmon populations are struggling due to overfishing, habitat destruction and climate change. This is where technology comes in, offering innovative solutions to meet our growing demand for salmon. Salmon farming, once a small-scale practice, has exploded into a billion-dollar industry, providing a significant portion of the world's salmon supply. This boom is driven by cutting-edge technology, which has revolutionized the way we farm salmon. From underwater robots that monitor fish health to artificial intelligence systems that optimize feeding, innovation is changing how we raise salmon. Farming salmon in controlled environments allows us to meet the global demand without depleting wild stocks. It takes the pressure off wild fish populations, helping to preserve natural ecosystems. But it also raises concerns about sustainability, including issues like water pollution and the use of antibiotics. The good news is that technology is also addressing these challenges, with new methods designed to minimize environmental impact. New methods, such as recirculating aquaculture systems and integrated multi-trophic aquaculture, are minimizing environmental impact. They are making salmon farming more efficient, ethical, and sustainable for the future. This essay explores the fascinating world of salmon farming technology, highlighting the latest advancements and their implications. We'll see how it's shaping the future of this vital industry, ensuring a steady supply of salmon. The future of salmon is intertwined with technology, promising a more sustainable and efficient industry. By understanding these advancements, we can make informed choices about the seafood we consume. We can ensure that this delicious and nutritious fish remains on our plates for generations to come, benefiting both our health and the environment. The numbers tell a compelling story. The global salmon farming industry is enormous. It's worth over $20 billion annually. Millions of tons of salmon are farmed each year. This satisfies the appetites of consumers worldwide. Norway is the undisputed leader in salmon production. Chile and Canada are also major players. These countries have embraced technology to enhance their industries. They are constantly innovating. They are developing new methods to improve efficiency and sustainability. The economic impact of salmon farming is significant. It provides jobs and supports livelihoods in coastal communities. As technology advances, we can expect the industry to grow even further. This will create new opportunities and challenges. Imagine a salmon farm. You might picture simple nets in the open ocean, but modern salmon farms are high-tech marvels. They utilize advanced technology to create optimal growing conditions. Sensors constantly monitor the water. They track temperature, oxygen levels, and other vital parameters. This data is relayed to a central control system. Farmers can make adjustments in real time. Underwater drones patrol the nets. They act as robotic guardians. These drones can identify potential problems. For instance, they can spot holes in the nets or the presence of predators. These technologies improve fish health. They minimize environmental impact. As a result, salmon farming is becoming more efficient and sustainable. The use of technology ensures that the salmon are raised in the best possible conditions. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing countless industries. Salmon farming is no exception. AI is being used to monitor fish health. It can also optimize feeding schedules and predict harvest times. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data. They identify patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. This technology allows farmers to detect diseases early. It helps prevent outbreaks that could decimate fish populations. AI can also determine the optimal feeding amounts for salmon. This reduces waste and minimizes the environmental impact of fish farming. By using data to inform decision-making, AI is making salmon farming smarter and more sustainable. The use of AI in salmon farming is still in its early stages. However, the potential is enormous. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications in the future. Section 5. From Ocean to Table. Robotics in Action. Once the salmon reach maturity, they must be harvested and processed. This is another area where technology is playing a transformative role. Advanced processing plants use robotics to streamline operations. This ensures efficiency and hygiene. Automated systems stun and slaughter the fish quickly and humanely. This minimizes stress on the animals. Robotic arms then gut, clean, and fillet the salmon with precision. They work tirelessly, ensuring consistent quality and reducing waste. These technological advancements improve working conditions in processing plants. They also enhance food safety. By automating many of the tasks, the risk of contamination is reduced. This ensures that consumers receive the highest quality product. Section 6. Sustainable Seafood, a Technological Approach. In this section, we delve into the innovative methods being employed to ensure that salmon farming is both efficient and environmentally friendly. Sustainability is a major concern in the salmon farming industry. With the growing demand for seafood, it's crucial to find ways to meet this demand without harming our planet. Technology is playing a crucial role in addressing these challenges. From advanced monitoring systems to innovative breeding techniques, technology is transforming the way we farm salmon. Innovations are minimizing the environmental impact of salmon farming. These advancements are not only improving efficiency, but also ensuring that the farming practices are sustainable. Recirculating aquaculture systems, or RAS, are becoming increasingly popular. These systems allow for the continuous reuse of water, significantly reducing the need for fresh water. These land-based farms use advanced filtration systems to clean and reuse water. This not only conserves water but also ensures that the water quality remains high, which is essential for the health of the fish. This reduces water consumption and minimizes pollution. By recycling water, these systems help in maintaining a balance in the ecosystem. Offshore aquaculture is another promising development. By moving salmon farms further out to sea, we can take advantage of the natural currents in deeper waters. By moving salmon farms further out to sea, they have less impact on coastal ecosystems. This helps in preserving the delicate balance of coastal marine life. Advanced mooring systems and robust net designs allow these farms to withstand harsh conditions. These innovations ensure that the farms remain secure and the fish are protected. Technology is also being used to develop alternative feeds for farmed salmon. Traditional fish meal and fish oil, which are often sourced from wild fish, are being replaced with more sustainable options. Traditional fish meal and fish oil are being replaced with more sustainable options. These alternatives are not only eco-friendly but also provide the necessary nutrients for the fish. These include insect protein, algae, and plant-based ingredients. By using these alternatives, we can reduce the reliance on wild fish stocks and promote a more sustainable aquaculture industry. This reduces pressure on wild fish stocks. Sustainable fish farming practices are essential for the future of our oceans and the seafood industry. Section 7. The future of salmon labs and 3D printers. The future of salmon farming is full of possibilities. Scientists and entrepreneurs are exploring groundbreaking technologies. These innovations could further revolutionize the industry. Lab-grown salmon, also known as cell-based seafood, is a hot topic. Scientists can now cultivate salmon cells in a laboratory setting. This creates the potential to produce salmon without the need for traditional farming methods. 3D printing technology is also being explored as a way to create plant-based salmon alternatives. By precisely layering plant-based ingredients, companies are developing products that mimic the taste and texture of real salmon. These technologies are still in their early stages of development. However, they represent the cutting edge of food innovation. They could have a significant impact on the future of salmon and other seafood. Section 8. Swimming towards a tech-driven future. The salmon farming industry is at a crossroads, facing a pivotal moment in its evolution. Growing global demand for this nutritious fish presents both opportunities and challenges, pushing the industry to innovate and adapt. Technology is essential to navigating this complex landscape, offering solutions that were once unimaginable. From high-tech farms beneath the waves to AI-powered monitoring systems and robotic processing plants, the integration of technology is revolutionizing the industry. Technology is transforming every aspect of salmon production, from breeding and feeding to harvesting and processing. These advancements are improving efficiency, enhancing sustainability, and reducing the environmental footprint of salmon farming, ensuring that we can continue to enjoy this delicious and nutritious food for generations to come, without compromising the health of our planet. As consumers, it's important to be aware of these technological advancements and the impact they have on the salmon we consume. Understanding the journey of salmon from farm to table helps us make informed choices and support sustainable practices. By supporting sustainable and innovative practices, we can help shape the future of the salmon industry. We can ensure that the industry continues to thrive while maintaining a balance with nature, and ensure a healthy planet for ourselves and future generations, fostering a deeper connection with our environment. The story of salmon is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness technology to meet our needs. It showcases our capacity to innovate while also protecting the planet, balancing progress with preservation. As we continue to innovate and explore new frontiers, the future of salmon farming looks bright. With ongoing research and development, we are constantly finding new ways to improve and sustain this vital industry. The future of salmon farming looks bright, promising a plentiful and sustainable source of this valuable protein for years to come. With continued innovation and commitment, we can look forward to a future where salmon farming not only meets our needs, but also supports a healthy and thriving ecosystem.